Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build a workout spreadsheet in Google Sheets. If you're looking to track your fitness progress and stay organized with your training routine, creating a custom workout tracker is a great way to monitor your sets, reps, and weights all in one place. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where you can access all your Google apps and files. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard with various options available. Now locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to create your workout sheet. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new Google Sheet by clicking the plus icon or selecting a blank spreadsheet. This will open up a fresh sheet where we'll start building your workout tracker from scratch. Let's start by creating the day label. Click on at least 5 rows to select them, then look at the top toolbar and click the merge icon. This will combine those cells into one larger cell. Now input a text label like Monday. This merge cell will serve as your day header, making it easy to identify which day's workout you're viewing. Next, to make the layout more compact and visually appealing, click on the text rotation icon at the top of the toolbar from the drop-down menu. Select Rotate Up. This rotates your Monday label vertically, which saves horizontal space and gives your spreadsheet a cleaner, more professional look. Now let's create the set headers. Click on at least 4 columns to select them, then click the merge icon again at the top. In this merge cell, input a text like Set 1. This will be the header for your first set of exercises. Directly under Set 1, create column headers by typing exercise, reps, weight, and notes in separate cells. These headers will help you organize the specific details of each exercise you perform. Once you've set up Set 1 with all its column headers, select the entire section from Set 1 down to the notes row. Copy this selection, then paste it right beside it in the next set of columns. After pasting, change the Set 1 label to Set 2. You can repeat this process as many times as needed if you want to track more sets. This makes it easy to expand your tracker based on how many sets you typically perform during your workouts. Now let's add some color to make everything stand out. Select the Monday label, Set 1 and Set 2 headers. Then click the bucket icon at the top of the toolbar and choose a color that you like. Adding color helps differentiate sections and makes your spreadsheet easier to read at a glance. Here's where it gets even more efficient. Select the entire Monday section you just created, including all the sets and headers, then copy it, paste it directly underneath, and change the Monday label to Tuesday. You can repeat this process for as many days as you need, whether that's a full week or just your training days. This duplication saves you tons of time and ensures consistency across your entire workout plan. And that's it. You've successfully built a custom workout spreadsheet in Google Sheets that you can use to track your progress, stay motivated, and see your improvements over time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.